Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your picture really quick? It's for my.
Sorry?
Do you mind if I take your picture really quick? It's for my
Okay,
social
okay.
media. Thank you. We'll just take from here. Yeah. Thank you. What's your name?
Zoe.
Zoe. Nice to meet you.
Should I stand on the sofa?
Can you stand on the shade, please? Yeah. I'll take one more from this side. You can stand here for me. Thank you.
I was thinking like you.
That's really good. I'll take one more. Can you turn around? And there you go.
Oh my god, that's so sick. Oh, I like it. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Can I follow your
Sure, of course.
Instagram?
Yeah, I'll type it in for you.
Oh my god. So I'm not connected to the internet right now. So
Oh, that's fine. You
if
can.
I can type your name
Sure,
and I
you
can add you
type
later.
in here. So you can type it in
Okay.
your account here.
Yeah, that's me.
That one. Sure, I'll keep
There you
it
go.
for.
Bye. Have a
Nice
nice
meeting
day.
you. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo really quick? It's my social media.
Let's go to your social media.
Yeah.
Which one?
Let me show you. So I take pictures of people and post them online.
Yes, I think so. If you can tag me, that
Sure.
will be cool.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you. You can stand here. Just stand here. What's your name, by the way?
Diana.
Diana.
Yeah.
I'm Jubin.
Jubi.
Jubi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. One more. Can you walk towards me?
I like it. Really nice.
Thank you.
Yes, sure. Would you share me your Instagram account? Perfect.
It's Wanda Not. Are you visiting?
Yes, I'm visiting some friends here.
Ah, that's nice.
I'm from Mexico.
Nico. Hola.
Yes, hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Thank you so much.
no, thank you
nice
too.
meeting you. Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your picture?
Sorry?
Do you mind if I take your picture?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you. What's your name, by the way?
Ella.
Ella.
Yeah.
I'm Jubin. Nice to meet you. Okay, look here. There you go.
That's pretty cool.
Thank
Wow.
you.
Can you send it to me?
Sure, I will. You can type it. Yeah. Are you from London or are you visiting?
I'm from Budapest, but I live here at the moment.
Ah, okay.
What about
Hungary.
you? Hungary, yeah.
Yeah, I'll send them over to you.
Cool, thank you so much.
Nice meeting you and have a nice day.
Best of luck.
You too, thank you. Excuse me, guys. Would you do you mind if I take your photo? It is for my social media.
Sure.
Thank you. Yeah, you can sit there. You can sit just like that. I'll take one. Can you guys stand? And
Do you want me some specific passage?
yeah, of course.
Okay.
Oh, your glasses. What's your name, by the way?
Bea.
Nice to meet you. And yourself?
Lexi.
Lexi. I'm Juby.
Are you a photographer?
I'm a hobbyist, so you can stand there. Can I take individual? Thank you. I'll take one more. Can you walk towards me? Yeah. Yeah.
That's cool.
Did you like them?
Yeah, they're nice. Thank you. It was fun.
Thank you. I'll take Lexi's now. Hi, Lexi.
Your turn.
Can you stand there for me? Lexi, can you stand on the corner for me, please? There you go.
Oh my god, so cute! I love it!
Thank you.
Oh my god. Is there a way you can send them to me?
Yeah, I'll send them over. Yeah. I'll upload to my drive and I'll send the link. You can type in your Instagram here. Thank you.
I type my Instagram, right?
Yeah,
So it's your hobby.
it is my hobby.
Nice.
It was nice meeting you.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. That's my taste.
I'm seeing the one that he just made of you. That one's nice.
Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you. Have a nice day, guys.